We are Team Noah, Saurabh Keval Adityam. As a student of this fast-paced generation, we often struggle with craving instant gratification, constant distraction, short attention span. This makes us the victim of doom scrolling on social media. And the result? When we attend lecture, we zone out and go completely blank. But what if we could turn this problem into an opportunity? What if we could use the same tool and habit that distract us to actually enhance our learning? That's where our solution comes in. A personalized, engaging framework for learning design to speak the language of our generation. Imagine this, quickly scrolling through the short clips that focus on the concept you're struggling with, turning hours of passive video into actionable and impactful knowledge. As a student, this is exactly the kind of tool we needed to stay engaged and efficient. And how it's work? We track real-time student engagement using metric like comment, question asked during lecture, and dynamic quizzes after each subtopic. For a concept students struggling with, we analyze the engagement data and lecture recording and note to identify gaps. We then create personalized AI-generated short video or podcast such as animated reel, infographic, or practical project-based example to help students grasp this topic. If needed, concepts are reintroduced. Why do this on the Zoom? It is an ideal platform. It is a purpose driven for education with video centric learning. Zoom is a data rich. It has already had all the data need to implement our solution.